Hi guys, I want to talk to you about something that's important to me. I want you to know if you have a back injury or you have a tremor, you can paint too. I promise you. I have a very extensive spinal cord injury with a disc abutment as well, and I'm going to show you how I paint so I'm comfortable. So what I have to do is I have to sit on the edge of my chair and I have to be straight across and I can't stoop. And what I do is I paint from here, okay? Some people are more comfortable holding it, some people are more comfortable painting flat, but this is how I have to paint. So see how you're most comfortable painting too, okay? So if you have a movement disorder, what you want to do to steady your hand is you want to hold your brush down on the ferrule, so that's the metal part. So I want you to grip it good. Then I want you to take your hand, I want you to plant it on your canvas or your board, whatever you're painting, and then I want you to pull your stroke through. So hold this tight, because if you're holding it lightly, you're still going to shake more, okay? So I want you to plant your hand, hold this tight, pull your stroke through, okay? And you'll be able to paint beautifully, I promise you. If you find this helpful, please leave a comment below.